We all know Cinderella wore the glass slipper, married the prince, and became a princess. But what happened after that? Here's the real story. For a while, everything looked just like in the fairy tales: royal balls, glittering dresses, and the picture of a happy couple. But as time passed, the spark between them started to fade. One day, the prince shouted in frustration,
I took you, made you a princess. What more do you want from me? I'm tired of you.
Oh!
Cinderella took a deep breath. Then she turned to the audience and confessed,
The spark between us is gone. Now he tells me, your feet look so thick. How did I not notice before? Let me drink some coffee and check my fortune. I bet this prince is fooling around with some princess from another kingdom.
and in that moment she realized fairy tales don't end with happily ever after. Real life begins after the happy ending. True happiness isn't found in a crown, it's found in discovering your own worth.
Oh man, you gotta see this meme. It's hilarious.
The real magic is not the slipper, not the crown, but believing in yourself.
Finally, a vacation without Cinderella. She'd probably complain about the sand anyway.
Here's your happy ending, kids. Told you. Don't let your hair down or I'll mess up your princehood.